Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll discuss the concept of SUM and SUMX in Power BI. Okay, so be with me till the end. By end of this video, you will have clear understanding of SUM and SUMX, and also you will have clear idea in which case anyone should use SUM formula and in which case anyone should use SUMX, right? So let's understand with the table. But before that, if you are here for the first time, so don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. And I have created a Telegram group separately for daily job updates and all. So if you are interested for job, okay, so you can check the Telegram and you can check the description and join the Telegram group, right? So let's understand. So let's jump to the question. So here I have taken sales table, that is nothing but we have 4 columns there: id, name, price and quantity. So our main target is to calculate the total sales amount, right? So total sales amount is nothing but the like price into quantity, sum of all the products, right? So 62,000 into 3 plus 54,000 into 4 plus 670 into 2, likewise till for all the products. So how we will achieve? We can achieve using sum and we can achieve using SUMX as well, but the steps for sum is one extra. Like we will take one extra column for sum to calculate the total sales amount. Okay, so how we will see? Let's understand in the Power BI. So same table I have taken Power BI as well. So first we will understand what is sum and what sum does. Okay, and later we will see what is SUMX and what SUMX does. Okay, so what sum does is in Power BI is it adds up all the value. Okay, it's up all the value. It's add all the value in Power in a single column. That means if you are using sum, let's see, I am just using sum, the sum of let's say quantity. So what it will does is it will sum up the quantity column, okay, and give the final answer, that is nothing but the 17. Okay, but that is not the requirement. So the requirement we have is to price into quantity. Okay, so if you are using sum in a Power BI, then what we have to do is we have to create one extra column. That extra column will calculate the price into quantity. Okay, that extra column will calculate the price into quantity, and then we'll create again one extra column that will be the sum of all the sum of that column. Okay, so let's this column name is, let's say I'll say is total amount. So total amount is nothing but price into quantity. Okay, and this highlighted in red is total sales amount. So total sales amount is sum of total amount column, right? I hope you get it. So the same thing I'll perform in Power BI as well. I'll create one new column. So here I'll say total amount. Okay, total amount is nothing but price into quantity. So what it is giving is just giving for each and every product the price into quantity. Okay, now if I want to calculate the total sum, so I'll have to again create one new column. That would be like, let's say, total amount, total sales amount for sum. Okay, that would be nothing but sum of what sum here is. Sum takes one argument, that is nothing but the column name. So sum of total sales amount. Okay, so now here we have the final answer, that is the total sales amount is 79,400, that is 7,94,000. Okay, so to get the final answer, here we are calculating, here we are creating one extra column. Okay, that is the total amount column. So to get rid of this total amount column, we have SUMX. So what SUMX does is it's evaluate row by row and then sum of all the let's sum up all the results. Okay, so understand the SUMX now. So I'll say total sales amount SUMX. So SUMX. So what SUMX does is it's take two argument. First one is the table and second is expression. So the table we have is sales table. Okay, expression. What is expression we are looking for? So we are looking for price into quantity. Okay, so price into quantity. If I enter, I have the final answer, that is 7,94,000. Okay, I hope you got the idea what sum does and what SUMX does. Now let's see in which case we should use sum and in which case we should use SUMX. So if we are, let's say we have two column and we are multiplying price into quantity, or we are subtracting, let's say price minus quantity or something like that. Okay, in that case we will use SUMX to reduce the number of steps or to reduce number of columns. Okay, but if you are using, let's say, sum, so what sum here does is it just taking one column as an argument. Okay, one column, and that adds up. So we will use sum where, let's say, we want the total quantity, okay, or say, let's say, total price without multiplying with quantity. In that case we will use sum. And if you are evaluating any expression means we are using something arithmetic, let's say we are adding, we are subtracting, we are multiplying, we are dividing. In that case we will use SUMX. Okay, so same as SUMX, we have one Excel formula as well, that is the sum product. Okay, that is sum product. So here I have removed the sum of total amount, and let's say I'll do sum product we have. Okay, so what sum product is, it's taking like more than one argument. The first one is array 1. So array 1 is nothing but, let's say, the price column. Okay, so price column, okay, comma. Array 2 is nothing but quantity column. So what it does is it's sum, it's multiply first and then sum. Okay, so it will multiply E8 with F8, E9 with F9, until the end, like E12 with F12, and then it will sum up the result. Okay, see, if I enter, we have the final answer, that is 7,94,000. So the sum product in Excel is same as SUMX in Power BI. Okay, and sum is same as like whatever sum does in Power BI is same as sum does it in a SQL. I hope you get the idea. Sorry, in a Power BI. Okay, I hope you get the idea. Still, if you have any doubt, please comment your doubt into the comment section, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe. Okay, we will meet soon. Till then, take care and have a great day.